30 to perfect Raksha Bandhan gift ideas for a brother. You will surely get some good ideas in this video.
Customized wooden photo frame.
Caricature. Customized wallet. Sunglass. Chocolates with Rakhi.
Ring.
Smartwatch. Sweets with Rakhi. Phone. Earpod. Watch. Smart speaker. Vacuum insulated mug. Customized pen. Personalized passport cover. Leather belt. Bracelet. Bottle with Rakhi. Mug. Personalized LED lamp. Perfume. Gift card. Rakhi with nuts hamper. Branded cap. T-shirt. Neon light. Card holder. Showpiece with Rakhi. Phone holder. Novel. Backpack. Canvas painting. If you want to buy these items, check the link in description. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.